Did you know that a single AI tool, Chat GPT, has already transformed how thousands of people make money online? And that's just the beginning. From freelance writers earning six figures to small business owners scaling operations like never before, Chat GPT is the new money-making machine for anyone willing to tap into its potential. In today's video, we're breaking down how you can leverage Chat GPT to start generating income, whether you want a side hustle or a full-blown career shift. So, let's dive straight into the first method, freelance content creation. Freelance writing has long been a way for people to make money online, but with Chat GPT, it's easier and faster. You don't need to be an experienced writer. You can offer services like blog writing, article creation, or even social media content creation. Instead of spending hours researching and drafting, ChatGPT can generate high-quality content in minutes. And the best part? Many companies are willing to pay top dollar for well-written content. All you need is a basic understanding of editing and formatting, and you're ready to go. Top freelancers are charging anywhere from $50 to $500 per project, depending on the complexity and length. Imagine the potential earnings if you complete multiple projects a day. Next up, starting your own business. ChatGPT isn't just a tool for freelancers, it's also a fantastic resource for brainstorming and automating tasks for entrepreneurs. Whether you're thinking of starting an e-commerce store, offering online courses, or even launching a consultancy, ChatGPT can help streamline your workflow. You can use it to create product descriptions, answer fakes, or even draft marketing emails. This frees up your time to focus on scaling your business rather than getting stuck in repetitive tasks. It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. Now, if you want to take things a step further, you can offer copywriting and digital marketing services. Brands are constantly looking for professionals who can write compelling ad copy, email sequences, and SEO-optimized content. With ChatGPT, creating high-converting copy becomes a breeze. You can help businesses improve their online presence and convert more customers, and charge a premium for these services. Digital marketing agencies charge anywhere from $1,000 to $1,000 a month for managing client campaigns. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can enter this lucrative market even if you're a solo entrepreneur. Are you tech savvy? Well, here's another way to make money, building AI-powered applications. ChatGPT allows you to integrate its capabilities into apps, websites, and tools. You can create chatbots, virtual assistants, and other AI tools for businesses. And guess what? The demand for AI-based tools is skyrocketing as more companies look to automate their customer service, marketing, and sales processes. Clients pay thousands of dollars for custom-built AI solutions. And if you can offer that, you're sitting on a gold mine. Don't want to offer services? You can still make money passively by selling AI-generated products. Use Chat to create ebooks, guides, or templates that you can sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon. For instance, you can write and sell an entire ebook in less than a day using Chat. Or you can create printable content, educational resources, and other digital downloads that people will pay for. Once the product is up, it becomes a source of passive income. No more trading time for money. Another idea? Offer virtual assistant services. With ChatGPT, you can handle administrative tasks like responding to emails, scheduling meetings, and even managing social media accounts for your clients. You don't need years of experience to get started. Just basic organizational skills and the ability to use ChatGPT effectively. You can charge hourly rates or flat fees, making this another flexible and scalable income stream. As you can see, ChatGPT offers endless possibilities for making money. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to turn it into a full-time career, there's something here for everyone.